Hello, this is Heather from Twist My Stitch. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial on working the bean stitch. This video was requested by Audrey from Canoe Mountain Designs. You can find a link to this beautiful pattern in the description below. To start, chain 1 and turn your work. Then single crochet into the first 2 stitches. The repeat begins with the bean stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch again, yarn over, pull up a loop, 6 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 6 loops. Chain 1 to complete the stitch, and skip 1 stitch to finish the repeat. Let me show you again. Insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch again, yarn over, pull up a loop, 6 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, chain 1, and skip 1 stitch. Continue working the bean stitch and skip 1 stitch until you get to the end of the row. This is the final stitch of the repeat. Single crochet into the last 2 stitches of the row. For the next row, chain 1 and turn. You're going to single crochet into each stitch across the row. You'll work into the chain and the top of the bean stitch. Just insert your hook directly into the chain under both loops and work a single crochet. Insert directly into the top of the bean stitch and work a single crochet as well. Continue working a single crochet into each stitch to the end of the row. If your chain stitch is a little tight and hard to work into, you can try turning your hook over and working into the chain stitch like so. That's all there is to working the bean stitch. Remember to check the description for the complete pattern and comment below to receive a special discount. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell to get notified of future videos. If you have a video request, send me an email and subscribe to my blog at twistmystitch.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and now go twist my stitch.